In today's video, we're going to make a last-minute Halloween sublimation shirt. It's quick and easy. We're going to use the Gildan Softstyle. It's a heather orange color, perfect for sublimation. Our 15 by 15 pink Heat Press Nation heat press. We're going to set it to 400 degrees for 60 seconds. And we'll be using our Sawgrass SG1000 printer. I used 11 by 17 paper for this design. And we'll be using some Sam's Club butcher paper. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and load it into Print Manager. I selected the width of it and the height. I like a good 10.5 inch wide or more monogram on my adult shirts. I'm going to take my Gildan Softstyle and I'm going to pre-press it to get some moisture out. Just a good 5 to 10 seconds just to get the wrinkles and the moisture out. I'm tightening my heat press because I was using a T-Pat in another video, so I'm just adjusting my pressure. And now I'm going to take it and I'm going to fold it in half and create a nice crease down the center line. I love doing this. Totally not necessary, but it helps me get my design straight. So now I'm going to place it, now that I have that center line, I'm going to place it on my heat press and I'm going to put a piece of butcher paper in between so that there's no bleed through to the back of the shirt. I'm using a very dark design, so I want to make sure none of it gets to the back. So I'm just going to slip this through to the back, smooth it out, make sure there's no wrinkles or folds, and now it's ready to press. Now we're going to take our sublimation design. We creased it in the center and we are lining that crease center to the center crease of my shirt. And I'm going to go about 3 fingers down, 2 to 3 fingers down from the collar to start the top of my design. And so I'm just making sure that it's placed correctly. And now we're going to add a piece of butcher paper onto the top before we press to help any transfer not get on our heat press. Our 60 seconds is up, so we're going to take that butcher paper off the top. You'll see the transfer. There's a good reason we had that cover on. All right, let's do the reveal. Woo, quick and easy. Look how gorgeous that color is. Again, this is a Gildan Softstyle heather orange color. I believe it's like 65 or 68% poly. It sublimates so well. How quick and easy was that? So a fun and festive, quick and easy sublimation shirt. I mean, this took less than 10 minutes. Probably less than 5 because I already had the monogram made in my little PNG folder. So just real quick and easy, using a heat press, sublimation printer, heather, Gildan Softstyle, perfect for sublimation. So I hope this quick and easy tutorial gets you fun and festive for the holiday weekend. I will link everything I used today in the description box below. And until next time, bye for now.